Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be showing us step by step on how we can create our real account with Deriv website successfully. Okay, and how we can add our static account to our Deriv account. Okay, so if you have not watched the video of how you can create a demo account, I think that is the first video you should watch before watching this one. So if you have not watched that, click on the link that is showing up there right now to go and create your demo account. Okay, so for those of us that have created our demo account and wish to switch to real account, okay, so this is the process we had to follow. The first thing to do is to log in your email, the email you created your account with on the demo account in the first place. So log in the email first. Okay, so I'm going to simply change this to 97. Okay, so I've logged in, I've put in my email and I've input my password. So the next thing is for me to log in this account. Oh, sorry, something went wrong. 97. Okay, so the website has logged in my details and I'm in my account currently now. So the next thing to do is to click on this arrow down, this arrow pointing down here. Just tap on it. So once you tap on it, you are going to see two options here. We have the real account, you have the demo account. So the next thing to do is to switch to the real account. So you tap on the real account area. So once you switch to that area, the next thing you're going to see is the real account. Sometimes it's going to be maybe something like create the real account or create the real account. So whichever one your own is going to bring out for you. Just know either it brings out this deriv account or whatsoever. So just click on it, click on add. That's the next thing to do. So once you tap on the add, you are going to see this area here where you are allowed to choose what the account currency, the one you want to use. Okay, so the one to choose here is US dollar. So just tap on the US dollar, and the next thing is to click on what S here. Tap on it. Okay, so the next thing is to enter your first name. Okay, so I've entered my first name and I've entered my last name. So the next thing to do is to enter date of birth. Okay, so I'm going to choose any date of birth. Let me use which year will I use? Date of birth. Let me use 12. Allow me to choose my year now. I need to do it one by one. Okay, let me just be. So I'll be using 1919. Okay, let's use October 1919, 14, something like that. Okay, so the next thing is it's set. Okay, so I've just set to the date of birth and my phone number is already there. So the next thing to do is next. Tap on next. So now that I've tapped on next, I have to put my my address. So fill in your address, fill in the first line of address. The second one is not compulsory for you, so you leave that one alone. Then you fill in the town and city, you fill in the state and the postal / zip code. Okay, if you don't know how to get your zip code, just go to Google and type in your state postal code. So if you are let's example you're in Lagos State, just go to Google and type Lagos zip code. So they'll bring out for you. They'll bring a lot for you. Just choose any one and use it. So that is it. And the next thing you are going to do is to click on next. Alright, so the next thing is to bring you this risk warning and all that. Then they are going to ask you if you are a political exposed person, okay, which is the PEP. Okay, so all you need to do is to tick everything. You have to tick this one and tick this one, and the next thing to click is add account. Okay, so after clicking on add account, you see that your account is ready. Then if you want to deposit now, click on deposit, but if you want to deposit later, then click on maybe later. Okay, so you can see now that what I have created my real account, and you can see that day that was showing the other time has removed. Now we have this USA color there right now. Okay, so you can see here now under our real account, we now have our USA dollar, and we have the CR400, and that's our account number. Okay, so the next thing to do now is to add our synthetic account. Okay, so you can see we have two synthetic accounts here. We have the one under the MT5 account, and we have the one under the DerivX account. So the one you are going to be choosing is the one under the MT5 account. So click on add. Okay guys, after clicking on add, this is the next face you are going to see. Okay, so you can see here they are asking me to put in my DMT5 password to add my DMT5 synthetic account, and I've put in the password that I know they are asking me of, which is the either the Deriv password or the demo account password. So if you're facing this type of issue, let me just tell us how to solve it out. So for some of you, you will not experience this, while some of you will experience this. So for those of you that will experience this type of difficulty in terms of adding your synthetic account to the MT5, okay, so what you should do is click on forgot password. Okay, so once you tap on forgot password, they will tell you that we have sent you an email. So the next thing to do is to go and check your email address, your email account. Okay, so this is my email account, and I'm expecting their message. So I have received their message that says new DMT5 password request. So tap on it. So the next thing to do is click on change password. Okay, you can see after I click on change password, that will bring me to this area that says create a new DMT5 password. So for those of us that will not experience the issue of going to your email and all that, you will have this interface directly. Okay, so once you have this interface now, the next thing to do is to create your DMT5 password. Okay, so I have input my DMT5 password. The next thing to click is create, and you can see that I have created my DMT5 password successfully. The next thing is click on done. Okay, so for those of us that will have the issue of clicking on a forgotten password, this is the interface you are going to see directly. Okay, so once you have this interface, the next thing to do is either you click on real account here, add real account here rather, or you tap on this arrow drop down here, this arrow that is facing down. Tap on it, then you have this interface back again, and the next thing to do is to click on synthetic index under DMT5 account. So once you're going to tap on add account again, just like returning us to the first page the other time. Okay, so you're going to repeat that process again by clicking on add account. So you can see that we click on add account and it still brings us back to this place. Now what to do now is to input the password that you just changed. Okay, just input the password. So you can see I have input that password, and the next thing I'm going to do is to add account. Click on add account now, and as you can see that congratulations, you have successfully created your real DMT5 synthetic account. So you don't want to transfer into that account now, so you need to click on maybe later. So for those of us that will not face the issue of clicking on forgot password to change all those things, it will bring you to this page directly after you have input your DMT5 password. It's going to bring you to this page directly, and what to do is click on maybe later.
So now that I've clicked on maybe later, you can see that I have my real account details, which the broker says Deriv Limited, the server says Deriv Server O2, and the login ID says blah blah, all that, then the password that I've created. So now you can see that I have created my real account. So the same way that you log in into your demo account is the same way you are going to log into your real account. So just go to your broker, follow the video. Okay, the video is showing up right now again. So tap on that video, watch that video. Okay, it's going to teach you how to log in your demo account. Follow the same process that you log in your demo account to log in this real account on MT5 app. Okay, so make sure you watch that video to understand this one. Okay, if you are lost from this place, because I don't want to repeat the process on this real account again. So just watch the video to see how to log in your this real account on your demo. On your MT5 account. Okay, so the next thing to do after you fund your account is I don't know, you can use any method to fund your account, because you can get an agent to fund your account for you, or you fund your account through any means that is on deriv.com. okay, but most times I use agents to fund, and most times I use Perfect Money to fund. Okay, so whichever way to fund, after you put your money on your MT5 account. So if you want to do transfer into your MT5 account, what you should click on is click on the fund transfer. Okay, you can see that I have no fund in that account. Okay, let's assume I have fund in that account now. They're going to give me like two options where I would transfer from my Deriv account to my MT5 account. So that is how to go about that. So guys, that will be all on how to create your real account. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified anytime I post videos like this that can help you make money online. Okay guys, so see you in the next video.